Picture a front yard where the simplicity of farmhouse living meets the beauty of the countryside, with a mix of wildflowers, old wooden fences, and cozy seating areas. Today, we're showcasing a farmhouse front yard that embodies the spirit of country life. Welcome to Green Home Living. In this serene farmhouse setting, a stone pathway winds through neatly trimmed lavender bushes. The house, with its rustic stone and wood construction, stands gracefully in the background. In the background of this front yard stands a weathered barn, a testament to the farm's rich history. The main farmhouse, with its rustic wooden siding and tin roof, is surrounded by lush greenery and beds of blooming flowers. In the center of this charming farmhouse front yard stands a birdbath, surrounded by flowering shrubs and a stone pathway. The house, with its white clapboard siding and large windows, overlooks the garden. This farmhouse front yard is a delightful blend of color and charm. A white picket fence encloses a garden bursting with life, while a stone pathway leads to the front porch. The farmhouse, with its white walls and green shutters, a quaint garden brimming with life surrounds this classic farmhouse. The house, with its white walls, dark shutters, and steep gabled roof, overlooks a garden bursting with roses, lavender, and herbs. A small pond, still and reflective, adds a touch of tranquility to this farmhouse front yard. The farmhouse, with its weathered wooden siding and tin roof, stands tall in the background, surrounded by tall grasses and lush greenery. In the center of this farmhouse front yard stands a birdhouse, perched atop a wooden post and surrounded by a garden bursting with color. The house, with its white clapboard siding and gabled roof, features a front porch with wooden rocking chairs. Thank you for joining us on this tour of a farmhouse front yard. We hope it has inspired you to bring a touch of rustic elegance to your own outdoor space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more garden tours and home ideas. See you in the next video.